CloudWork is an integration as a service platform that allows anyone to build connections between business and social media applications. Using it is very simple. I want to connect my Evernote to my Google Calendar and create events from Evernote notes. So here I choose Evernote, then Google Calendar, and I get the available integrations. Now I will click on More Info, something that I recommend you to always do, as there will be useful information on how the integration works and how others are using it. In this case, there is a link to Google Calendar's quick add guidelines, so you know how to word the subject of the note in order to be picked up. And there is also a blog post with a tutorial on how to set it up. Now that I have all this information, I will go to Get Started and proceed to first Authorization and then Configuration. So here I authorize Evernote. Next step, Google Calendar. And we are ready to configure. I have created a notebook called Calendar on my Evernote, so I will choose it now, which means all events on this notebook will be copied to my Google Calendar. If I don't choose a notebook, all notes created on Evernote will trigger a task, even if they do not match the required quick add guidelines. If you are on the free or premium plan, you do not want to waste your task limit. Now I will choose the calendar where I want the events to appear and can test the integration with existing notes. This is not mandatory, as especially in this case, you will not have notes that follow the guidelines we just talked about. So I go ahead and click on Create Integration. I will now create a sample note on Evernote, let's say, meet Anna from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. in her office. I synchronize. Then I go to CloudWork and click on Refresh, as otherwise the auto refresh is every 10 minutes, and go to my Google Calendar. There you go. Another integration that I want to create is between my Gmail and my Zoho CRM, so I can track the emails I receive from my contacts on the CRM tool. Here there are multiple filters available. I have created a label called Clients on Gmail and tagged emails from clients with that. So here in Mailbox, I pick that label. If I leave everything blank as before, all incoming emails will create tasks, but only the ones that match Zoho CRM contacts will end up creating a note, so it makes sense to use filters, unless you have an account that receives emails only from clients. I also want to track emails from my prospects label on Gmail, so what I will do is create an integration again, choosing the prospects mailbox this time. Integrations check for new items every 10 to 30 minutes. If you don't want to have the update that often, but maybe once a day or once a week, you can use the pause button. When you resume, all items collected during that period of time will be triggered. If you want to create a MailChimp integration, please bear in mind that the username is case sensitive. Make sure it is exactly the same as here on the profile page on MailChimp. If you have other doubts, you can visit our blog at blog.cloudwork.com, check the FAQ on the support tab up here, or contact support. Thank you for watching.